In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to collect surveys and auto-sort feedback by theme, making it easier than ever to manage and analyze responses. If you've ever struggled with sorting through tons of survey data manually, this method will save you time and effort. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to organize feedback in a way that makes it actionable and insightful for your business or project. First, let's talk about the basics: collecting surveys. Whether you're using Google Forms, Typeform, or any survey tool of your choice, you need to make sure you're capturing all the necessary data points. You want to ask clear and concise questions that will give you valuable insights, but it's not just about collecting responses, it's about organizing them. Here's where the magic happens: auto-sorting feedback by theme. Now, to auto-sort the feedback by theme, we need a software solution. This software will automatically categorize responses based on predefined keywords or topics, saving you from having to manually sift through answers. There are many tools out there, but I've tried the most popular ones, and I'm going to show you the best one for this task. I've got an exclusive free trial for you in the description below if you want to follow along. With this software, you can upload your survey responses, and it will use machine learning to identify and group feedback based on themes. For example, if you're conducting a customer satisfaction survey and you have questions about pricing, quality, and customer service, the software will analyze responses and categorize them accordingly. You'll get a clear overview of the most common themes in seconds. Now let's go over how you can do this yourself. Once you've uploaded your responses into the software, select the option to auto-sort the feedback by theme. The software will run its analysis and automatically organize your feedback into categories. You can then view these themes, prioritize them, and start drawing conclusions based on the data. One thing to remember is that the software isn't perfect at first. You'll need to tweak and adjust the themes to match your specific needs. But once it's set up, it's a game changer. You'll be able to look at your survey results and instantly understand what your respondents are saying, without having to dig through every single comment. If you're running a business or gathering data for a project, this is an essential tool that can save you hours of manual work. Whether you're gathering feedback from employees, customers, or users, auto-sorting feedback by theme is an easy way to spot trends and areas for improvement. Key takeaway: the main point to remember is that by using the right software to collect surveys and auto-sort feedback by theme, you'll streamline your process and make data analysis quicker and more effective. So don't waste time manually sorting feedback, let the software do the heavy lifting. To recap, first, collect your survey data using any popular survey tool. Then upload it to our software and let it automatically categorize feedback by theme. It's that simple. And remember, if you want to follow along with the tutorial, I recommend you grab the exclusive free trial in the description below to start using this software today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.